Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. The EPS mode behind me is Quick Change EPS Wolf Pod mode matched with 5 minutes Quick Change EPS shape molding machine we export to Australia. The thickness of polystyrene wolf pod is 375 mm. In this video, we will briefly introduce some features of the EPS mode. As you can see that the female mold is welded with 4 pieces of hollow aluminum plate instead of cast aluminum to ensure the stress of the mold. There are 4 position pins installed on the 4 corners of the mold as the mold guide, and there are also 4 copper pull rods installed on the 4 corners to achieve quick lock and loose the female and male mold during change. Another point was mentioned about this mold is that you can see 2 copper pipes on the fixed mold in the video connected to the cooling water pipe for the movable mold. Let's take a close look at the side of the mold. The upper part is pull rod and lower part is the copper water pipe. Now let's go round from the back to take a close look at the cooling water pipe of the movable mold. You can see the small copper pipes extend into the mold cavity to cool the wolf pod evenly in all directions. When the mold is closed, during these 2 joints to cooling the movable mold. This approach greatly improves the water cooling effect of the movable mold. By modifying and optimizing the mold, the problem of the insufficient cooling of the movable mold in 5 minutes quick mold change EPS shape molding machine is solved. Ensure the water cooling effective for the movable mold. The importance of the water cooling is essential for the 5 minutes quick change EPS shape molding machine, because only by well cooling of the wolf pods evenly, then it can shift high temperature mold. By doing so, you can save the steam for each cycle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.